And welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage. And today we installed a set of the Oracle reverse lights for the Wrangler JL. These Oracle lights are designed to replace the little red reflectors that are found on the rear bumpers of some JL models. You'll find them both in plastic and in the steel bumpers, but you won't find them on all the bumpers. So you need to look in the back of your Jeep to see if you have those little red reflectors. Now what these lights were designed to do was to help make your factory lights not suck so bad. They're going to add quite a bit of extra light. You have 11 LEDs per light, and together they put out 1,000 lumens of light output. Now these lights are pretty easy to install, and the wiring isn't complicated as Oracle does provide the necessary connectors. You'll need to remove one screw at the back of each reflector, pop the reflector out, and then the new Oracle lights go in and are screwed back into place. Then we're going to splice our wires into the factory harness, either at the tail lights or at the tow harness if you happen to have a tow harness on the back of your Wrangler. The tail lights are easy to remove. You have one bolt at the back side that is accessed through the back of your Wrangler. Then you're going to unplug the factory tail light and then find the orange and the purple wires, and that is what we're going to tie into. The Oracle wiring is then ran underneath the vehicle and secured with zip ties behind the bumper, and then ran up to the T-taps in place. We can run each wire up through the hole behind the tail lights and then attach to the T-taps. Then for extra security, we'll wrap the connections with electrical tape and then reinstall the tail lights. And that's it. It's an easy install and there's no programming necessary, and it's not going to set off any error codes on your computer. And these things really are bright. One of the first things we notice is the big difference between the Oracle reverse lights and the stock reverse lights. Now there are a few things that we learned that may help you install yours. First off, you can wire them in two different places. Not only the tail lights, but you could also wire them into the tow harness if you happen to have the tow harness on your Jeep. Second, if we were to do this again, we'd probably remove the rear bumper. Although you can get to the reflectors and you saw it done, it is a little tough and it would be a lot easier to do with this bumper off. Now, as mentioned before, you can install these lights in the factory steel bumpers that have those red reflectors. We have heard some reports that you might have to do a little trimming or sanding to get them to fit perfect. We had no problem with the plastic bumpers. We just wanted to give you a heads up. So what do you think? Considering the minimal cost outlay, the ease of installation, and the amount of light output for your reverse lights, these Oracle reverse lights have a lot of bang for the buck. Now, of course, we have them here at Northridge 4x4, so if you want a set for your Jeep, click the link down in the description box below, and then hit that comment section. This is our third Oracle lighting video in the last month and a half, and well, we're really impressed with the line of lights that Oracle Lighting has been putting out. We'd like to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one.